Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is David from Tech. Now I want to introduce sheet butter fusion welding machine with vertical welding to you. You can see our product. If you want to use 2 pieces sheet to make a 90-degree angle, our machine can help you save your materials, save your labor costs, improve your profit. Trust Tech, you will get everything. Our machine have 3 functions: rolling, butter fusion, and vertical welding. You can see. Use 2 pieces sheet to make the angle. When you choose the sheet butter fusion welding machine, choose Tech is the best choice. But if you want to weld the materials, I suggest you choose Simona, Roslin, and Agro. Good machine, good sheet, you will get good product. Thank you.